Hello and welcome to the URA ePortal Navigation Series, your complete step-by-step guide to mastering Uganda's online tax system. If you've ever wondered how to file a tax return online, how to apply for a tax clearance certificate, or how to get a refund from URA, you're in the right place. In this first episode, we'll explore the overview of the URA ePortal, what it is, how it works, and why every tax practitioner and business owner in Uganda needs to understand it. Before we dive in, a special shout out to our sponsor, Apex Tax and Accounting School. Are you passionate about mastering taxation? Then, the Tax Practitioners course at Apex Tax and Accounting School is designed to help you become a confident, certified tax professional. Someone who can interpret tax laws, prepare accurate returns, and represent clients before the Uganda Revenue Authority. Through practical, hands-on sessions, you'll learn how to file accurate tax returns for all major tax types, including pay-as-you-earn, withholding tax, VAT, and income tax. Use the URA ePortal and the EFRIS system effectively. Handle tax audits, objections, appeals, and refunds. And prepare professional tax opinions for clients. Whether you're a student, accountant, entrepreneur, or business owner, this course gives you real-world practical skills to succeed in Uganda's tax environment as a tax agent or consultant. Classes are delivered online via Zoom with flexible schedules, interactive projects, and a certificate upon completion. Enroll today and gain practical tax skills with Apex Tax and Accounting School. A registration link is provided in the description box below. Call or WhatsApp the school using the contact details on your screen, or visit apexaccountingschool.com to register now. Let us dive into today's tax training session, the URA ePortal Overview. In this session, we'll explore what the URA ePortal is, how it works, and why understanding it is essential for every tax practitioner and business owner in Uganda. The Uganda Revenue Authority ePortal is a digital platform created to make tax compliance simple and convenient. Through this platform, individuals and businesses can register, file returns, make payments, and access tax-related reports, all without visiting URA offices. You can access the portal anytime at www.ura.go.ug. The URA ePortal was designed with 4 main objectives. 1. To simplify taxpayer interaction with URA. 2. To enhance transparency and accountability in tax administration. 3. To enable real-time submission and processing of tax information. And 4. To reduce paperwork and eliminate delays in service delivery. Let's now talk about the major functional areas on the URA portal. The first major category on the URA ePortal is e-services, the interactive functions that taxpayers use most frequently to manage their tax obligations. Under the e-services category, there are 12 core service areas, each serving a specific purpose within the tax system. These include the registration service area, for acquiring or amending a TIN and related registrations. The return service area, for filing monthly, quarterly, and annual tax returns. The payment service area, for generating payment slips, making payments, and managing credits. The tax clearance certificate service area, for applying and printing compliance certificates. The objections and appeals service area, for contesting URA assessments or decisions. The tax refunds service area, for claiming refunds of overpaid or duplicated taxes. The tax exemptions service area, for applying for income tax or withholding tax exemptions. The motor vehicles service area, for vehicle registration, transfers, and related actions. The stamp duty service area, for declaring and paying stamp duty on documents. The tax agent appointment service area, for appointing or canceling tax and clearing agents. the Exchange Rates Management Service area for accessing official URA exchange rates, and the Taxpayer Profile Management Service area for updating and maintaining taxpayer information. We shall be discussing each of these service areas, together with their detailed functionalities, in the upcoming episodes of the URA ePortal Navigation series. The second category on the URA ePortal is the Reports Service area. Here, you can access a range of tools and reports designed to help you monitor and manage your tax compliance activities. You will find System Notifications. These are automated alerts generated by the system regarding your filings, payments, or updates. Third-party agency notices, such as withholding agency notifications from other entities. Each time a third-party agency notice appears, it usually indicates that another taxpayer or organization has declared a transaction involving your business. So it's always important to review such notices carefully. Manage uploads. This allows you to track uploaded return or payment files. Search taxpayers. Used to verify taxpayer registration details or confirm a TIN. My Reports section, a personalized area that houses reports generated by the taxpayer. Tax Statement, providing a detailed summary of your tax payments, liabilities, and balances. Employee Monthly Pay as You Earn Statement, designed for employers to reconcile pay as you earn information for their staff. Watch out for our next episodes, where we shall take a deeper look into this service area and its practical applications. And remember, you can explore this knowledge further by joining the Tax Practitioners course at Apex Tax and Accounting School. You can start with a free trial or enroll in a self-paced program at a friendly fee today. If you're still watching this video, that means you're finding it useful. Please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials in the URA ePortal Navigation series. In summary, the URA ePortal is organized into three main functional areas: e-services, reports, and other platforms, each designed to make tax administration easier and more efficient. In our next episode, we'll dive into the Registration e-service, where you'll learn how to register for a TIN, make amendments, and create sub-accounts for branches. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.